Where's the baby? Where'd the baby go? Is she in the car seat? There she is. Where's the baby go? Put the baby back. Put the baby back in her seat. Put her in her seat. Uh-oh, she didn't make it. You put her in her seat? Is she sitting there? Is she here? Here you go. Put her back in her seat. You want Mommy to do it? Uh-oh. Is that where you wanted her? I'm sorry. Here you go, sweetheart. In her this seat? There you go. You sit in that seat. Put her in her car seat. Can you put her in her car seat? Nay, nay, nay. What's she getting mad about? Where's the car seat, Mama? Ella. Ella. Put her in her car seat. Over here, in the car seat. Yeah, put her in there. There you go, she's in there. All right, little misfit.